Hello lovelies and welcome back to my channel. My name is Chika from Mom's Niche Diary, and today we are going to be making smoked Titus fish, smoked mackerel fish. Now I have washed and cleaned the fish properly. As you can see, that's the first thing to do. Wash your fish, clean it properly, and I'm going to use this toothpick to hold the fish together. So just watch and enjoy this video. I forgot to add salt on this particular fish, so I'm doing that now. If at this point you haven't given this video a thumbs up, what are you waiting for? Please give this video a thumbs up. Just hit that like button there. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, now will be a good time to subscribe and join the family. You know, subscription is free. So right now I'm going to grease the pan and then put the fish into the oven. Watch and enjoy. Smoked fish is very healthy and can be used for so many recipes. You can use it for your concussion local jollof rice. You know that one you add scent leaf. You can also use it to make fish sauce for your kids, for yam, for potatoes. You can also use it for your soups. Let me know in the comment section if you like smoked fish and what do you use smoked fish for. At this point, if you haven't given this video a thumbs up, please like this video. Have you liked the video? Give this video a thumbs up. It goes a long way to help my channel. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please click on the subscribe button and turn on your bell notification so you get notified whenever I post a new video.